All right, third time's a charm. Is it gonna work? I really hope so. First voiceover, forgot to hit the LR and it wasn't recording anything I said. Second voiceover, son called. Third voiceover, the gate didn't want to work right. Yay for technology. All right, so we've got big Citra in here with holes in the frame. Tony wanted to do a motor rebuild, so we're doing a motor rebuild on this thing, and in the process, I noticed that there was holes in the frame. So we're going to be doing all kinds of welding on this thing. Not really too bad. The foot peg had a hole, and where the left side rear gusset was, it was cut out, had two monster holes in it. So we made some patch plates. We're welding the patch plates back in so that there won't be any water getting in this frame. This is a mud quad. We don't need water plugging up the frame. It'll just make it rot even more. So with a little bit of welding aerobics, we're laying down, we're standing up, we're bending over, we're kneeling, we're sitting, we're grinding, we're welding, we're fighting, we're swearing, we're cursing. It's all coming out. Yep. One thing after another, flip it up on two wheels because three wheels was just not working. Easier to get under it if you can get to the bottom side of things. You like this kind of content, you like the goofiness, we've got ride videos, build videos, how-to videos, race videos. We've got championship banquets and all kinds of stuff on this channel. Thousands of videos, camera falls over because, well, tripods don't always stay where you put them. Hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on content, bell notification. That way you are notified when content is released. Really appreciate everybody who watches these videos. I try not to make them too long. Need you guys to watch these things all the way through so they get pushed out to more than 102 people. You guys clicking on them and clicking them away. Yep, you're doing nothing but killing the video on me. Not really very helpful. I understand that people are clicking on stuff because they see something they think it is, and then life happens. You got to click away. That's one thing. If you're going to click on it just to click on it because you don't like the content and then click away so you can help kill the video, well, thank you, but no thanks. Watching these videos as far as you can really helps out the channel a lot. We've been doing this thing for many years. Stuck on the low views, stuck on the low watch time. We're going to keep doing builds. We're going to keep doing videos because recording helps things. You guys get stuck in a problem, you can go on, you can see the videos, you can send me messages. I will help you guys out the best I can. We've got channel memberships available for cheap. You want parts discounts and direct line to me for immediate help. That is the best way to do it. The channel members that we have, I really appreciate. All you guys that hop in the comments section and say stuff, really appreciate you too. We're probably going to be doing a series on the adventures of the thumbnail because all these dudes that want to pop into the comments and give me fingernail advice. Now, I can see women giving nail advice to other women, but dudes giving nail advice to other dudes and complaining that the fingernail is dirty when I'm working on dirty bikes is kind of a little bit on the twisted side. You expect me to have clean hands while I'm working on dirty, greasy bikes. That's kind of an oxymoron and not really possible. Let's have a reality check here. If you work on greasy things, you will get greasy. Do I wear gloves? No, I do not. I can't wear gloves. I don't like the way they feel. I can't feel the things that I need to, and I can't hold on to stuff that I want to. So I have never used gloves. I'm not going to start using gloves. Do I use safety precautions? If you've watched my videos, you can tell by now my safety precaution is say it and pray. We're going to go. We're going to do what we can and try not to get hurt in the process. This is all OSHA approved work. Because I work for myself, OSHA approves it. They have nothing to say about safety if you are the owner operator of the company. You can do as stupid things as you want. And hey, it might get you some comments. It may not. You never know. So we sit here and we doink on the little metal plates after we get them fitted so that they roll around the tubing. We get everything all situated in place. We weld it all up. We get the holes filled up. And we get the frame set so that we can finish this engine rebuild for Big Citra. Tony got a top end kit for it. We're replacing the valves, piston, rings, whole thing. give him a fresh top end. Got my big red motor out. We're going to be giving that another fresh top end. We've probably got about a dozen engine builds to do also. Knocked out a big bore blaster motor. That was kind of neat. That video's to come. Got some 250R stuff going on. All kinds of stuff. Always fun when you can lay down on a job. Now, granted, I'm welding while I'm laying down. But hey, it's still comfortable. You get yourself a nice little blanket. You lay down. You get to work. This is not a big open area. This is the entrance to my Connex. There is not a whole lot of room in here. The welder is in the corner. My whips are only about 25 foot long, so I can't go very far. So we try and get stuff into the Connex as close as we can so we can get frames welded up. This is not the first frame we've welded. This is definitely not going to be the last frame that we've welded. Happens all the time. Had plenty of people come in here days before the race saying that they popped their frames during practice doing GNC or motocross. Got to get them back on the track. That's what we do. We keep you guys riding, keep you guys racing. Part of the fun. You want to test and tune? We've got the motocross track in the back, so you can test and tune all you want. Door is open to racers. Always. You want to come hang out? You want to come over and ride? Just get a hold of me and let me know. Had a couple of people come over and think they were going to get on this little bitty turn track. They didn't realize it was almost a 2-acre track with a lot of air in it. Might look small on camera, but it's not small in person. That's for sure. Sitting down comfortably, trying to get these last couple of welds in place. Get everything all situated and finished up. We can put the motor back in it. Yes, we got to pull the rear end out of it because we've got a differential cover that's cracked. We're going to have to replace that. Might actually try welding the cracked one just to see how the weld holds. Little experiment. We are fixing clutch covers and cases and everything else, so welding on aluminum is not a big deal. Quite used to welding and fixing clutch covers, cases, and all that kind of stuff. What we've been doing, stuff that nobody else wants to do, we get her done. Got some conversions in the background going on. Slow builds. Actually, not really too slow builds. The customers are on me about them. They're getting the parts, so the quicker they get the parts, the quicker the builds get done. Very plain and simple. I'm going to be finishing up this video here. I appreciate you guys hanging out and listening to me. Remember, comments are always appreciated. Share the videos, share the channel, check out the rest of the videos. We got 800 hours to go on the past 365 days. So, go back through the videos, watch them, click the watch list, hit autoplay. Let's get these last few hours going and get this channel monetized. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you in the next one.